Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and in this video we're going to continue with the weapon upgrade system. And also we are going to fix a few bugs. So yeah, let's get started. First, let's actually fix those bugs. So the first one that we want to fix is the one with the mystery box. So now if we're going to, or if you are trying to buy the mystery box, it will not work. And that's because we have this function there. As you can see, it's not working. And yeah, we have the function there on the Mysterybox. I will show you. Let's go to the interactables and to the PP Mysterybox. So we have here at the end of this event on interact and on the buy. Here at the end we have this where we get the data table and we get the rows, all the rows, and we add one to the row amount. So we basically calculate the amount of the rows. So why it doesn't work is because we added this row 0 to the weapon data table. Okay, and basically we now have 8 rows from 0 to 7. Before we had only from 1 to 7, so we have 7. So now we have 8, and here where it's getting the random weapon, it is trying to get the amount, the max index now is the row amount, so it's 8 now, even when we have 7 weapons. So when it gets that index that's over or that index that we don't have here on the weapon data table, then it bugs out. So that's a easy fix. Let's go back to the function where we calculate the rows. And let's cut this link before the open box, and let's move it a little bit further here. Now we want to get the row amount variable, and we want to actually -1 from it on the completed pin here. Okay, and let's connect it back to the open box. And it should work correctly now. So let's see. Yeah, as you can see, it's working correctly. So, yep, that is actually working. Yep. And the next bug that we have is when we put our weapon to the upgrade machine, and then we try to buy a weapon from the wall, we will not get it. Okay? And the reason is pretty simple. I will show you. We want to go to the player PP first person character. Okay? And don't mind about this. This is just some debugging that I did. So we can actually delete that because I have fixed all the stuff now. And I don't actually know why did I come here. We actually want to go to the interactables, to the PP weapon wallbuy. And the fix is as simple as this. You want to go to the event on interact, and here at the end we have to set this new weapon to true on the set new weapon to slot, because on the last episode we added this variable here, this new weapon, and we added that also to all these switch weapon slot functions. So yeah, that's why it didn't work. But yeah, now that we have done it here on the PP weapon wallbuy, we also want to go to the PP mystery box, and we want to scroll down to up here on the event interact. We have to do the same thing here, new weapon to true. Okay, let's compile and actually save all. Now we can close the PP weapon wallbuy and also the PP mystery box. And let's move the PP first person character to here. And the next thing we want to do is we actually want to create those. We have here the weapon data table and weapon 1 data table. We actually want to create 2 more of these. Okay, so let's actually first go to the weapon 1 data table. And here we have set our weapon upgrade 1 material, or whatever you have called that. We can actually copy this. Let's actually just set it to all these. And one thing that I remember, we also have to set this custom K mode true. So let's do it also. I didn't remember that. Okay, now that we have done all those, we can save and close this. And now we can duplicate the weapon 1 data table. Let's duplicate it. And let's call it weapon 2 data table, like that. And now let's duplicate it one more time. Now let's call it weapon 3 data table. Oh, I don't want to call it DT1. So weapon 3 data table, weapon 2 data table, like that. And let's actually create some simple materials. So I will first open this, some of these weapon data tables that we have, where we have set the custom camo material, and I want to click this so I can find it. Now I want to duplicate this, and I want to call it weapon upgrade 2 material, something like that. And let's duplicate it one more time. Weapon upgrade 3 material, like that. And now I think I want to set, I don't actually know. Maybe this one, this 2. So let's click this and search for the T80. What was it called? I think it was T something. Oh, yeah. T underscore A, yeah. I want to use this. Later on we can add some better, but let's just now add it so we can see that the weapon actually upgrades. Okay, let's save. Let's close. And the third one, let's open it also. Let's see what we actually want to. I will actually maybe use this one, T cracks. Okay, these are not the best textures, but yeah, it doesn't matter for now. T cracks. Okay, and let's save. And now I can close this. So here, actually, no, I don't want to do anything here. Let's go to the back to the. No, sorry. Where? Yeah. I'm so stupid today. Let's go to the blueprints, and here we have this weapon 2 data table. Let's open it, and let's set the weapon upgrade material 2. Now let's copy this bottom one, and let's paste to all of these. I didn't want to do it like that. Copy, paste, 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 paste. Okay, let's save and close. And the third one, let's open it. And let's change this material to weapon upgrade 3 material. Let's copy, paste, paste. There's also a easier way if you want to set if you want to set the same material to all weapons, just according to the upgrade level. If you want, like, it can be done much more easily, but this allows us to use custom camo or texture with every weapon. So if you want to use something with the pistol and different one with the AK or whatever, yeah, KA-74. So now you can do it, but yeah, now we have set the test material for all the data tables. Now what we want to do is we actually want to go to the enum folder, and here interaction selection. Let's open it. Let's add a new enumerator let's call this buy. Sorry. Upgrade weapon. Okay. Save. Close. Let's go to the PP first person character. And now we want to go to our. Actually, we can close all these things that we have set here before. And we only need the event graph for now and some interaction function. So interact set text. Let's open it. Okay. And here, what we want to do is we want to we want to actually copy the buy weapon functionality from here. No, sorry, not buy weapon. No, the buy. Yeah, let's go to here. So second from the bottom. So this one. Let's copy all this. Control C, Control V. Okay. And now let's get from the upgrade weapon. Let's connect it to here and let's add a reroute. Let's leave it to there and align it with the top one a little bit better. Yeah, something like that. And now what we want to do here, we want to actually move this all this a little bit further to the left, and from the in text we want to get a select node like this. Okay. And the wildcard, we want to change it to the boolean. And now what we want to do is we want to get the we want to go to the weapon stats and scroll to the bottom, and we want to get the weapon upgrade level. We want to get it and check if it's equal to 3. So if it's equal to 3, let's connect it to here. If it's false, so when our weapon is not fully upgraded, then we want to use this. So let's connect this to the false. Let's move this a little bit closer, like that. And now, what we want to change here, press E to text. Okay, let's delete this text, this interact text from here. Also here, this text, let's change it to upgrade. And then let's add a space and these brackets and weapon and bracket like that. Now we have this new weapon thing here. And now what we want to do, we want to go to the weapon stats and get the socket name. Okay, connect it to the weapon like that. So yeah, and from the true, when we have upgraded the weapon to the level 3, then we want to get from here format text. And now you can set whatever text you want here. I will make it like already fully upgraded. Something like that. Yeah. And so yeah, let's compile and save. We actually have to go to the weapon upgrade machine one more time. So let's go to the blueprints, interactables, and BP upgrade machine. Let's open it. And let's go to the event graph. Not to the event graph, sorry. Let's go to the interfaces and is interactable get details. Okay. And here we want to actually, we can delete this from here. We can leave the actually, let's put here, let's take. So now it's text is take. I will show you soon why it's take. And let's compile and save. And let's actually, yeah, can interact this true. And now we want to actually click the type and we want to set it to the upgrade weapon. Okay, compile. Let's go to the event graph and here, after we want to actually now connect this buy functionality to the upgrade weapon. So control and left click and let's move it to there. Okay, and here after everything on the interact pin, at the end we want to change it to the upgrade weapon like that. Okay, let's compile and save. Now if we go to try, let's see what happens if I buy, for example, this weapon. Press E to upgrade AR 440 because I have set the price to 0. But yeah, it works now. So next thing we want to do, let's go back to the BB first person character. Let's actually save all because we have 5 unsaved. Okay, all saved. Now what we want to do here is we actually can do one more thing. Here on the amount on the interact set text, let's delete this to actually let's not delete it, but because now, yeah, we are not using the grouping. So let's not delete it, but let's get from the value and get a select node. Let's add a pin, so we have 0 and 1 and 3. Now to the index, we want to get the weapon upgrade level. Connect it to there. So the option 0 is when the level is not up, weapon is not upgraded. So let's set it to 500, for example, first. Option 1 is when it's upgraded one time, let's set it to 1000. And 2 is the second time, so when you're upgrading the third time, so 2000. You can adjust this however you want, but I will just try them now with these values. Okay, it's like this. So let's compile and save. And the next thing we want to do, we want to go to the function on interact here. Okay. And what we want to do here on the on interact function, we want to copy this whole bottom functionality or code. Control C, Control V. Let's move it here. Like that. Actually, like that. Okay. Now let's get from the upgrade weapon pin and connect it here. And here, where we have this branch, we have this. Actually, we can delete this perk in use and stuff like that. We can delete all those and actually all this, also this and boolean thing. Now we want to check if the points is greater or equal to the, let's get the select node. And now we want to get the upgrade level. Like this. Let's connect it to here. And let's add the pin. Let's add the same values as before. So 500, 1000, and 2000. Okay. We actually also have to check if the weapon upgrade level is less than 3. And get the AND boolean. So like this. Let's connect this to the condition. So we're checking if our points are enough according to the upgrade level, and also if our upgrade level is less than 3, then we can do that. And if you have noticed that these animation things on the HUD interaction accept and interaction decline are not working right now because we changed the text to the rich text. So we will have to fix it later. But yeah, now it's like that. And now one more time. Let's copy this, select and weapon upgrade level, Control C. And here we want to delete this interact price. And we want to set it here. Yeah. So now we're checking the same thing as here with the same prices and so on. Yeah. Sorry, I'm super tired today. Yeah, this is pretty hard to explain anything. I shouldn't be doing this tutorial today, but I just wanted to continue. So yeah, let's compile and save. Now we want to go to the PP upgrade machine. And here what we want to do actually is we want to, here we're adding 1 to this weapon upgrade level. We don't actually want to do it here. We are going to change some things. So let's delete that and connect this upgrade level to here. Okay, and also what we are doing here, or what we want to do here, is we want to move this, or actually we want to get this set, we want to set the weapon upgrade level back to 0 after we have got taken the weapon from the upgrade machine. So it will reset to 0. And now here set weapon material. Here we want to do some little changes. So let's move all this after the set weapon material to a little bit here. And now let's open the set weapon material. And what we want to do here is we want to delete this default input and also all this. And now here, let's actually move all this to the left. And here to the condition, we want to set the weapon upgrade level. And if it's equal to, let's connect it there. If it's equal to 0, we will set the material to the default weapon material. And if it's not, then we will set it to the upgrade material. So yeah. And now we want to add 2 more pins to here to the select node. So add pin. And the option 2 should be the weapon 2 data label. So weapon 2 data label, and 3 should be weapon 3 data label, like that. Compile and save. And what problems do we have here? So default, oh yeah. So let's go to the event graph and let's delete that, or actually right click and set the default value, like that. So now we don't have to, actually I think we have it somewhere else also. Okay, so we didn't set it to default here, so it didn't get any errors, so it works. But yeah, after the set weapon material, we want to get the weapon upgrade level one more time and get from it and plus plus, so increment integer. So yeah, so we are setting the material according to the weapon level, and we are after that we are upgrading the, or increasing the weapon upgrade level integer. So that should work. Let's compile and save. Now let's go to the PP first person character, and let's go to the first function, so set weapon stats. And here let's go to the start to here. Let's add 2 more pins like before. So option 2 should be the weapon 2 data label, and 3 should be weapon 3 data label, like that. And yeah, here where we set the visibility set, weapon material, cast. We have already done all this, I think. No, I actually think everything is done here. Let's see. Everything actually should be done here. So let's try. Let's compile and save all. That. Let's save all. Let's go to the first person map and play. So I'll take, for example, this and upgrade. Oh, I only have 200 points. Okay, we have more here. That's still not enough. So okay, I duplicated it a few more times. So now a little bit more. So let's try this weapon. I don't know why I didn't try the pistol, but yeah, let's see. So yeah, first upgrade level. Now, yeah, you can see the price is higher, so it's 1000. Yeah, the second level. And now the price is 2000. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but yeah. Okay, it's on the third level, and next, now, already fully upgraded, and we cannot upgrade it more. Okay, so one more thing that I wanted to talk about is when you are, or actually first, you want to adjust these values to these guns. So weapon 1 data table is first upgrade level. You want to set all these variables to maybe, you want to increase them a little bit maybe, or something like that. And also on the weapon 2 and weapon 3. But one thing that I wanted to talk to you about is if you create a new weapon here, this, let's set some random values to here. Yeah, you can just copy this row like this. You can go to the weapon 2 data table, for example, and you can add new row, right click it and paste. Now all the values come there, so you don't have to do it manually like every row manually. So it is much easier this way. I just wanted to tell it because not everybody knows that you can copy and paste these rows. So if I get from here the KA74U, copy and paste to here, you can see we have the same things here. Okay, and now I will delete it because I don't need that. But yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.